Good morning children. All of you welcome to our GK class. Today we are going to learn our 8th lesson and 9th lesson, which are nicknames and short and sweet. So children, first all of you take your textbook, take page number 291. Okay children, so let's start. Lesson number 8, nicknames. Match the nickname with the place. So children, here given some nicknames of some places. So we have to match them correctly. So children, the first one, Hollywood of India. Hollywood of India. Children, in the opposite place you can see the names of some places. So we have to match it with the correct place, isn't it? Okay. So children, the answer Hollywood of India is Mumbai. Okay. Children, Mumbai is a densely populated city and it is the capital of Indian state of Maharashtra. It is formerly called as Bombay. Bombay. Okay. So it is a densely populated city and it is the capital of Indian state of Maharashtra. Children, now the second one, state of 5 rivers. The answer is Punjab. State of 5 rivers is Punjab. Children, Punjab famously referred to as the land of 5 rivers situated in the northwestern part of India. And children, Punjab is also famous for its religious diversity. Okay. Now the third one, city of temples. City of temples. Children, the answer is Varanasi. Varanasi. Children, Varanasi is a city in the northern Indian state of Uttar Pradesh, regarded as the spiritual capital of India. Not the point, spiritual capital of India. Okay. And children, Varanasi is also called Banaras or Kashi. Banaras or Kashi. Okay. Now the fourth one, Blue Mountains. Blue Mountains. Yes children, the answer is Nilgiri. Nilgiri. Children, Nilgiri or Blue Mountains are part of the Western Ghat mountain region and run across the southern Indian states of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Kerala. Okay. Now the fifth one, Sorrow of Bihar. Sorrow of Bihar. Children, the answer is Koshi River. Koshi River. Children, the Koshi River known as Sorrow of Bengal, which flows through Nepal, Tibet and India. Okay. Now the sixth one, Venice of the East. Venice of the East. Anyone can guess the answer? Yes, the answer is Alappuzha. Alappuzha. Children, Alappuzha is a city on the southern Indian state of Kerala, which is popularly known as Venice of the East. And children, there are several other cities across the world that carry the same tag. Okay. So now the seventh one, Pink City. Pink City. Yes, the answer is Jaipur. Jaipur. Pink City is Jaipur. Children, Jaipur is the capital of the Indian state of Rajasthan. And children, Jaipur is the largest city of the Indian state of Rajasthan. Jaipur is called as Pink City because of its trademark building color. Okay. Now the ninth one, sorry children, the eighth one, Silicon Valley of India. Silicon Valley of India. Yes, the answer is Bengaluru. Bengaluru. Children, Bengaluru is the capital of the southern Indian state of Karnataka. And children, we all know that Bengaluru is called as Silicon Valley of India because of its leading information technology explorer. Children, now the ninth one, Golden City. Golden City. Anyone can guess? Yes, the answer is Amritsar. Amritsar. Children, Amritsar is a city in the Indian state of Punjab. It is the second largest city and the most important city in Punjab, and it's famous for the Golden Temple. Okay. So now the last one, City of Palaces. City of Palaces. Children, the answer is Kolkata. Kolkata. Children, Kolkata is the capital of the Indian state of West Bengal. It is formerly called as Calcutta. Okay. And children, it is the commercial, educational and cultural center of the eastern part of India. So this is all about this lesson. Now I will give you some questions. Okay. So listen carefully. Which city is known as City of Seven Islands? Which city is known as City of Seven Islands? Okay. The second one, name the orange city. Name the orange city. Third one, name the garden city of India. Name the garden city of India. The fourth one, which city is known as the Silk City? Which city is known as the Silk City? Okay, the fifth one, which city is known as the Manchester of South India? Which city is known as the Manchester of South India? Okay, now the sixth one, name the tea city of India. Name the tea city of India. Okay, seventh one, name the city of pearls. Name the city of pearls. Okay, the last one, name the steel city of India. Name the steel city of India. Okay, so children, this is all about this lesson. This lesson is over. Now let's move on to the ninth lesson, which is short and sweet. So all of you take page number 292. Lesson number 9, short and sweet. So let's start. Here is a list of some frequently used abbreviations, short form, and their full forms. Match them with their meanings. Children, in this lesson, we are going to learn about some abbreviations. Okay. So, what is an abbreviation? Yes, abbreviation is the shortened form of a word or phrase. Okay. So, children, here given some abbreviations and their meanings. So, let's match them correctly. The first one, DVD, digital video disc. DVD. So, children, match it with B, an object like a CD that has a film or television program recorded on it. So, match DVD with B, an object like a CD that has a film or television program recorded on it. Okay, now the second one, 3D, three-dimensional. Children, match 3D with G. A film or picture which looks as if it has length, depth and width. Okay. Children, now the third one, 24/7. 24 hours a day, 7 days in a week. So, match third one with F. Something which happens all the time. Something which happens all the time. Okay. Now the fourth one, CNG. CNG. Children, match fourth one with J. Compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas. Okay. Now the fifth one, RSVP. Respondency Whoop Light. So children, match fifth one with C. Used on invitation cards or letters to ask the person invited to confirm whether they can attend or not. Okay. So, match it with C, fifth one. Okay, now the sixth one, SMS. Short Message Service, SMS. Children, match it with H. A process of exchanging messages between mobile phones. Okay, so match it with H. Children, now the seventh one, DJ, disc jockey. So match DJ with option A. A person who selects, plays and introduces songs in a club, disco or on the radio. Okay, now the eighth one, CV, curriculum vitae. So children, match eighth one with I. I, a document that details a person's qualifications and work experience. Okay. Now the ninth one, ATM, automatic teller machine, ATM. Children, match ATM with option E, a machine which let you take out money from your bank account day or night. Okay. Children, now the last one, ICU, intensive care unit. Match it with option D, a room in a hospital or nursing home for giving special medical care to critically ill patients. Okay, so children, the first one, match it with B, second one, match it with G, third one with F, fourth one with J, fifth one with C, sixth one with H, seventh one with A, eighth one with I, ninth one with E, 10th one with D. Okay, so children, this is all about this lesson. So, what is an abbreviation? It is the shortened form of a word or phrase. Don't forget, okay. So, children, today's class ends here. Don't forget your homework. So, let's meet in the next class. Have a nice day.